Hello students, today we are going to learn two fables. Two fables means दोन दंतकथा. A fable is a very short story, usually with animal characters or even inanimate things that speak. A fable usually ends with a message or a moral. It tells you about the ways of the world and how one should behave in society. These two fables come from Aesop, the famous Greek storyteller. His stories were told and retold in many countries according to their own local conditions. Here, the story of the town mouse and the country mouse is retold in the English style. मुलांनो, टू फेबल्स दोन दंतकथा यामध्ये दिलेल्या आहेत. दंतकथा म्हणजे अतिशय कमी शब्दामध्ये नैतिकतेचा संदेश देणारी कथा. या कथांमध्ये सर्वसाधारणपणे प्राणी किंवा अचेतन वस्तू माणसांप्रमाणे बोलताना दाखवल्या जातात. समाजामध्ये वावरताना योग्य रीतीने कसे वागावे याबद्दलचा संदेश या कथांमधून मिळतो. प्रसिद्ध ग्रीक कथाकार इसाप याने या कथा सांगितलेल्या आहेत. त्यांच्या कथा देशोदेशी पिढ्यानपिढ्या सांगितल्या जात आहेत. नाव सी ऑन पेज नंबर 37, सेकंड पॅरेग्राफ. डू यू लाईक टू रीड स्टोरीज? लिस्ट 5 ऑफ युअर फेवरेट स्टोरीज. You may list stories from any language. Now, use one or more of the following story types to describe your favorite stories. Folk tale, lokakatha. Fables, dantakatha. Parable, bodhakatha. Science fiction, वैज्ञानिक कथा. Horror story, भीतिदायक. Fantasy, काल्पनिक. Fairy tale, परिकथा. हिस्टॉरिकल, ऐतिहासिक. डिटेक्टिव्ह स्टोरी, गूढकथा. ॲडव्हेंचर, साहसी. मॅथॉलॉजी, पौराणिक कथा. विट अँड ह्युमर, विनोदी कथा. रिअलिस्टिक, वास्तव कथा. रोमॅन्टिक, कल्पनाविश्वातील कथा. ॲनेक्डोट्स, किस्से. स्कूल स्टोरीज, शालेय कथा. चाइल्डहुड स्टोरीज, बालकथा. सोशल, सामाजिक कथा. पॉलिटिकल, राजकीय. कॉमेडी, विनोदी. ट्रॅजेडी, दुःखदायक. स्टोरी विथ अ ट्विस्ट, एका वस्तू सभोवती गुंडाळलेली कथा. सटायर, उपहासात्मक. मोरल स्टोरीज, नीतिकथा. इन्स्पायरिंग, इन्स्पिरेशनल, मोटिवेशनल, प्रेरणादायी कथा. कॉमिक्स, विनोदी चित्रकथा. नाउ वी विल सी द 5 list of the stories and type of the stories. Name of the story is The Last Leaf. Social, realistic. Stories from Hitopdesh, parable. गोट्या, childhood. नसरुद्दीन नोजबेपट्टर, कॉमेडी. गड आला पण सिंह गेला, historical. Now students, we see warming up. Within 2 minutes, tell as many words as possible related to the following words: village, city and forest. First, we see village. Related words: rural, well, country, peace, simple, slow, farming, fields, green, cattle. Second word, city. Related words: noisy, polluted, fast, modern, crowded, buildings, malls, developed, offices, urban. Third, forest. Related words: green, animals, trees, beautiful, natural, fresh, rain, dark, deep. Students, I read the story and You see on page number 38. Two friends were traveling together through a wood when suddenly they came across a bear. The bear saw the travelers and rushed out upon them. One of the travelers was good at climbing trees. Without waiting for his friend, he caught hold of the branch of a nearby tree and hid himself among the leaves. The other did not know what to do. He had heard that bears do not bother with dead animals. So he threw himself flat down upon the ground with his face in the dust. The bear, coming up to him, put its muzzle close to his ear and sniffed. But the man lay very quietly on the ground and did not even breathe. At last, with a growl, it shook its head and slouched off. Then the fellow in the tree came down to his comrade and laughing said, "What was it that Master Bruin whispered to you?" "He told me," said the other, "never trust a friend who deserts you at a pinch." The moral of the story is that you should not trust a friend who leaves you alone in times of difficulty. मुलांनो, आपण या कथेचा मराठी अनुवाद पाहूया. या कथेमध्ये जंगलातून जाणाऱ्या दोन मित्रांना एकदा अस्वल दिसते. अस्वलाला पाहून पहिला मित्र दुसऱ्याला एकटे सोडून पटकन झाडावर चढतो आणि लपून बसतो. झाडाखाली राहिलेला दुसरा मित्र अस्वलापासून आपला जीव वाचवण्यासाठी मेल्याचे नाटक करतो. अस्वल जवळ येऊन त्याचा वास घेतो आणि तो मेला आहे असे समजून निघून जाते. अस्वल निघून गेल्यावर पहिला मित्र झाडावरून खाली उतरतो आणि अस्वलाने तुझ्या कानात काय सांगितले असे दुसऱ्या मित्राला विचारतो. दुसरा मित्र म्हणतो, अस्वलाने माझ्या कानात सांगितले की संकटात एकटं सोडून जाणाऱ्या मित्रावर तू विश्वास ठेवू नकोस. स्टुडंट्स, नाव आय रीड द सेकंड स्टोरी, द टाउन माऊस अँड द कंट्री माऊस. Once upon a time, a town mouse went on a visit to his cousin in the country. The country mouse was a simple, rustic fellow. He loved his town friend. He gave him a hearty welcome. Beans, cheese, and bread were all he had to offer, but he offered them freely. The town mouse rather turned up his long nose at this simple country fare and said, "I cannot understand, cousin, how you can put up with this poor food. But of course, you cannot expect anything better in the country. Come with me and I will show you how to live. When you see town life, you will wonder how you could ever live in the country." No sooner said than done. The two mice set off for the town and arrived at the big house where the town mouse lived in a hole. "You will want some refreshment after our long journey," said the polite town mouse, and took his friend into a grand dining room. There they found the remains of a fine feast. Soon the two mice were eating up jellies and cakes and all that was nice. Suddenly, they heard growling and barking. "What is that?" said the country mouse. "It is only the dogs of the house," answered the other. "Only? said the country mouse. I do not like that music at my dinner. Just at that moment, the door flew open. In came two huge mastiffs, and the two mice had to scamper down and run off. Goodbye, cousin, said the country mouse. What? Going so soon? Said the other. Yes, he replied. Better beans and bread in peace than cakes and jellies in fear. चला तर मुलांनो, आपण आता या कथेचा मराठी अनुवाद पाहूया. द टाउन माऊस अँड द कंट्री माऊस ही दोन उंदरांची कथा आहे. हे उंदीर एकमेकांचे चुलत भाऊ असतात. यापैकी एक जण शहरात तर दुसरा गावात राहत असतो. एके दिवशी शहरातील उंदीर गावातील उंदराला भेटायला जातो. गावातील उंदीर साधेपणाचे जीवन जगत असतो. तो साधेपणाने खूप प्रेमाने त्याचे स्वागत करतो. त्याला साधे अन्न खायला देतो. हे अन्न शहरातील उंदराला अजिबात आवडत नाही. तो गावातील उंदराला शहरात येण्याचे सुचवतो. शहरातील महागडे अन्नपदार्थ आणि तेथील छान छान गोष्टी दाखवायचे आम्हीच दाखवतो. गावातील उंदीर शहरात गेल्यावर शहरातील उंदीर त्याला एका मोठ्या मेजवानीला घेऊन जातो. तेथे त्यांच्या मागे 2 कुत्रे लागतात आणि त्यांना खाणे अर्धवट ठेवून जीव वाचवण्यासाठी पळून जावे लागते. त्यानंतर लगेचच गावातील उंदीर आपल्या घरी परतण्याचे ठरवतो. निघताना तो आपल्या शहरातील भावाला म्हणतो, इथल्या झगमगत्या दिमाखदार आयुष्यात भीतीने जगण्यापेक्षा माझे साधे आणि शांततापूर्ण आयुष्यच अधिक चांगले होते. Students, now see some new words and their meaning. At a pinch, it is a phrase in an emergency. आणीबाणीच्या परिस्थितीत किंवा निकडीच्या प्रसंगात. Bother, to cause trouble or disturb, त्रास देणे, उपद्रव देणे. Comrade, a friend, companion, मित्र किंवा सोबती. Country, rural area, an area outside city or town, खेडेगाव. Cousin, a relative, चुलत भाऊ किंवा बहीण. Desert, to leave behind, त्याग करणे, सोडून जाणे. Fare, food, भोजन, खाद्यपेय. Feast, a meal in a celebration, मेजवानी. Growl, a low, harsh sound made by some animals, गुरगुरणे. Hearty, cheerful, मनापासून. Huge, very big, प्रचंड, खूप मोठा. Mastiffs, big dogs of a special breed, दांडगे, रागीट कुत्रे. Muzzle, the part of an animal's face including nose and mouth that stands out, जनावराचे तोंड, नाक व जबडा. Put up with, to bear or tolerate, सहन करणे. Refreshment, a light snack or drink, अल्पोपहार. Remains, here leftover parts, शिल्लक राहिलेला. Rustic, rural, living in a village, गावंडळ, ग्रामीण भागातील अडाणी माणूस. Scamper, to run with quick light steps, लगबगीने उड्या मारून पळून जाणे. Set off, begin a journey, प्रवासास सुरुवात करणे. Slouched, walked away with its shoulders bent forward, मान खाली घालून व खांदे झुकवून चालणे. Sniff, to take a quick swift breath, हुंगणे, वास घेणे. Turn up one's long nose, to show dislike or डिसरिस्पेक्ट फॉर समवन. नाक मुरडणे. वूड्स हिअर अ स्मॉल फॉरेस्ट. वनराई. येथे अर्थ लहानसे जंगल. Students, we see question and answers on story number 1. Question number 1. Who rushed out upon the friends? Where were they at that time? Answer. A bear rushed out upon the friends. They were traveling through a wood at that time. Question number 2. What is the moral of the story? Answer. The moral of the story is that you should not trust a friend who leaves you alone in times of difficulty. Now see two questions on story number 2. Second story has two parts. Write what happened in each part. Answer. In the country, the town mouse went to visit his country cousin. The country cousin mouse offered his cousin beans, cheese, and bread. The town mouse did not like the food. At the big house, the town mouse brought his country cousin to the town. The town mouse offered his cousin jellies and cakes. The country mouse did not like being disturbed by the dogs at dinner. Question number 2. Translate the following into your mother tongue. Sentence number 1. I do not like that music at my dinner. Answer. मला ते संगीत रात्री जेवणाच्या वेळेस पसंत नाही. Sentence 2. Better beans and bread in peace than cakes and jellies in fear. भीतीच्या सावटाखाली खाल्लेल्या मिष्टान्नापेक्षा शांततेच्या सावलीत खाल्लेली मीठ भाकर कधीही चांगले. Thank you.